Hi everyone! In this video, we will use the slope formula. Use the slope formula to find the slope of the line through the points -12, 3 and -3, -6. The slope formula is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, meaning we're finding the rise over the run, and the letter m is just the variable we use to represent slope. But since the slope is the same all over the line, we can define our points as 1 and 2 in any fashion we want. So this could be point 1. It could also be point 2. This could be point 2, but it could also be point 1, as long as we pick one for the first and one for the second. In fact, let's go ahead and do it both ways. So the first way, we will start out with -3, -6 being our point 2. And let's recall that this is the x-coordinate and this is the y-coordinate. This is the x-coordinate and this is the y-coordinate. So for the first one, we need the second y value, which is here. So we have -6, and we will subtract the first y value, which is here, which is +3. Then we divide it by the second x value, here, -3, minus the first x value, here, which is -12, and simplify. We have a subtraction sign, and since we have some negatives mixed in, I'm going to go ahead and add the opposite, just so that we can see -6 adding to -3 easier, which is -9. And then on the bottom, we'll do the same, add the opposite, which gives us -3 plus 12, which is +9, and simplifying this, -9 divided by +9 is -1, so the slope is -1. Now, some may say, again, we talked about how we can define the points as being different. So let's change it and make this point 2 and this point 1. So it doesn't matter which one you define it. The slope will still be the same because the line is going through those 2 points. So in this case, the second y value is actually the 3. So we'll start with 3. Subtracting the first y value, which is over here, because we've redefined it as 0.1, is -6. And then on the bottom, we need the second x value, which we redefined as this one, -12, and subtract the first x value, which we redefined as being 0.1 over here, and that's -3. Now we just need to simplify. Again, subtracting a negative, we can change to add the opposite, and add the opposite here. 3 plus 6 is +9. -12 plus +3 is -9. And when we simplify 9 divided by -9, we get the exact same slope of -1, just like we did here. So you can define any 2 points in any direction you want. Just make sure that you keep track of which one is coming first. One way to make sure of that is to look at the numbers that are stacked on top of each other and make sure that they came from the same ordered pair. Like this. Same here, the 3 and the -12 came from the same ordered pair, and -6 and -3 also came from the same ordered pair. So make sure that the stacked numbers are your ordered pairs. If you get those mixed up, then the slope won't be correct. Now that we've done it both ways and we got the exact same slope, and you do not need to do it both ways, you just need to pick one, but you can define them either way, and we're all done.